Another way to summarize nonfiction texts is to find the main idea, 3 supporting details, and the conclusion. Today we will look at the article, Archaeologists Unearth Centuries-Old Pretzels in Bavaria by the Associated Press. To find the main idea, I look at the title first. Then I read the entire text at least once through to get an idea of what the whole article is about. It seems to be about archaeologists finding fragments of 300-year-old pretzels and other baked goods in Germany. Next, I need to find 3 supporting details that agree with my main idea. My first detail is the very first sentence. Archaeologists unearthed 2 pretzels during a dig in the German city of Regensburg. My second detail is in the second paragraph. Ott says other baked goods have been found as well. And my third detail is in the final paragraph. Carbon dating shows the pretzels were made between 1700 and 1800. All of these details confirm what I have for my main idea, which is that archaeologists found fragments of 300-year-old pretzels and other baked goods. Now for the conclusion. I can restate my main idea by saying that centuries-old baked goods were found by archaeologists in Germany. These 5 parts, the main idea, 3 supporting details, and the conclusion, make for a very good summary of nonfiction text.